Hello everybody, I'm back with another video, and I got a squishy, and there's, my friend, lent me it, but I know this really cheap, squishy site. I'll put a link in the description. It's like Banggood.com or something like that. They're super fun. But look, this one's super slow rising, look. And I found one on Banggood.com, and guess what? There was a super slow rising squishy. It was only 89 cents. So you get really good deals there. And shipping's free, but it'll take like 1 to 2 weeks. But if you want it to ship faster, you could pay. That's all for this video. Goodbye.